Hi, Dawn here. I have been working on a project today and I remembered I wanted to record this. So here I have brought in a picture file and I'm not loving that this background here has another color to it. And sometimes we want to get that background transparent. The easiest way to do it in Microsoft PowerPoint, go ahead and select it and then go into the color options, roll all the way down to the set transparent color. When you click that, then you just click this little icon that shows up on your mouse in the area which you would like that particular item to be transparent. So when I do that on that lighter blue, it removes it, and now I've got just the graphic that I wanted isolated. So hope that helps you today. Have a great one.